Welcome to Oncology Data Advisor. I'm Kira Smith. We are very excited to announce the launch of our new Fellows Forum, a comprehensive resource for Hematology Oncology Fellows. Joining me today to announce the launch is Dr. Samuel Kareff, Chief Hematology Oncology Fellow at the University of Miami Sylvester Cancer Center. Dr. Kareff, thanks so much for coming on today. To start off, would you like to introduce yourself and share a little bit about your work and your research?
Thanks, Kira, so much for having me today. I'm very excited to launch the Fellows Forum alongside you. My name's Sam Kareff. I'm one of the Hematology Medical Oncology Fellows at the University of Miami, Jackson Memorial Hospital in Miami, Florida, and I'm thrilled to be here.
So congratulations again on your new role as Chief Hem-Onc Fellow. What are your responsibilities in this role?
Thanks so much, Kira. Yeah, it's an exciting role. As part of my fellowship, we have two co-chief fellows, one of whom is responsible for education initiatives, and the other of whom is responsible for administrative responsibilities like scheduling and those sort of things. I'll be in the first role with education initiatives. So what I'm really hoping to do is be able to schedule very informative and interactive didactic sessions for the benefit of our fellowship, as well as other trainees affiliated with our center. These include internal medicine residents, medical students, as well as visiting doctors from other countries. This will take up the majority of my time. But in addition, I'm also looking outside our center for opportunities in medical education. So opportunities like this Fellows Forum, which should hopefully be just as interactive and informative, could be potential options, as well as other allied CME activities, which are freely available in both hematology and medical oncology.
That's awesome. So we're really excited to be launching this new Fellows Forum. How do you think the forum will serve as a valuable resource for our Hem-Onc Fellow audience?
I think this is going to be a really wonderful resource that will serve in addition to other similar resources that are available for fellows. When we were planning this alongside the rest of the group, we were hoping that we could really dive into topics that were fellow specific, but also generalizable to the fields of hematology and medical oncology. So related to topics for fellows benefit, we might talk about things like applying to hematology oncology fellowship, the pros and cons of the subspecialty of internal medicine versus others, and things of this nature to really make sure that trainees who haven't yet embarked on this career are 100% certain that this is the right career path for them. Also, what we could do is kind of look at where these fields exist in the cancer, quote unquote, ecosystem. We're lucky in that cancer is kind of looked at as a special field of medicine because of the severe and important effects it has on society at large, really. So we exist alongside groups like patient advocates, researchers, policy and legislators, and these sorts of interest groups. So it's important that we kind of make a good mark on our field, but also on society at large, like I mentioned.
So what are some of the educational topics that you're looking forward to covering in the Fellows Forum?
So I think in addition to those that I mentioned about the fellowship in general, what I'm really looking forward to is talking about research advances. There's emerging therapies in the fields of hematology like bispecific antibodies, and there's other equally exciting sorts of advances in the solid tumor fields like CAR therapies. These would be topics I'd really love to see renowned researchers come and discuss and how they could be applicable to those in fellowship and beyond. In addition, I think it would be great to do kind of introductory basic reviews of common malignancies. So in the solid tumor world, the common things like lung, breast, prostate, and GI cancers. And in the liquid tumor world, we'll be talking about things like leukemia, lymphoma, myeloma, and these sorts of things.
Awesome. I'm really excited to cover all these important topics too, and I'm looking forward to working with you on it.
Likewise, Kira, thanks again for the invitation. I look forward to seeing where this goes.